Exploring English. See the Sights, Unpacked. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a popular English phrase, see the sights. This phrase is often used in travel and tourism, but what does it really mean? Let's find out together. See the sights is an idiomatic expression in English, which means to visit and look at the important, famous, or interesting places in an area. This phrase is particularly common when talking about tourist activities in a city or a country. For example, if you're visiting Paris, you might say, "I can't wait to see the sights," like the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre. This section explores the historical origins of the phrase and how it has evolved over time. See the sights has been in use for several centuries, originating from the idea of sightseeing or touring places of interest. Today, it's used globally, indicating its widespread acceptance in the English-speaking world. To better understand how to use see the sights, let's look at some examples. 1. When we visit New York, we plan to see the sights like Central Park and the Statue of Liberty. 2. She spent her summer in Italy, seeing the sights and experiencing the culture. In this section, we'll discuss common mistakes learners make with this phrase. For instance, confusing see the sights with sightseeing is a common error. Remember, sights refers to interesting places, while sight is a specific location. See the sights is not just about tourism, it's also embedded in cultural contexts. In this section, we explore how this phrase reflects a culture's values towards travel, exploration, and curiosity about the world. And that's a wrap on See the Sights. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this interesting English phrase. Remember, learning a language is all about exploring new words and expressions. Keep practicing, and don't forget to see the sights in your language learning journey. See you in our next video.